Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Tacoma door handle. Start by gathering tools: trim pry, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a 10mm socket, and needle nose pliers. Disconnect the battery to avoid electrical issues, then remove visible screws and hidden clips from the interior door panel. Carefully lift the panel to access the handle linkage, noting wire and clip positions. Keep parts in order to speed reassembly. With the interior panel removed, unhook the linkage clips and separate rods from the handle assembly using needle nose pliers. Reach through the access hole and remove the 3 mounting bolts that secure the exterior handle. Pull the handle assembly out slowly while guiding any attached clips or gaskets free. Inspect the rods and clips for wear and replace as needed to ensure a secure fit for the new handle later in the process. Position the new handle into the door cavity and align the mounting holes carefully before inserting bolts. Reattach linkage rods and snap clips into place exactly as they were originally and confirm smooth movement of the latch and lock. Tighten the bolts evenly to prevent misalignment, then test the handle operation from inside and outside the truck. If everything works, reinstall the interior panel, reconnect the battery, and perform a final functional check to verify success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.